Element-wise Boolean multiplication. I'm looking for the most beautiful and short way to multiply those types of lists. Length of B equals to number of true elements in A. The answer that I need is 100, 0, 200, 0, 0, here. Are there any simple ways to get that answer? It looks like element-wise multiplication, but the fact is that the size of the second list is smaller, so common numpy methods don't work without bad code. Hope you'll find nice solution.
You could do this in numpy. Note if you need the result as a list, based on your desired output, rather than a numpy array, use c.toList.
There's a pretty clean iterator-based solution. Another option is to use either numpy.place or numpy.put. Or, I prefer the first option. Timings. Generate larger dataset. That's a cool solution. My first option.
Swiping a bit from an ad above.
Okay.